Your designs are about to get a serious upgrade. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create a stylish drip effect in Canva that will make your artwork stand out. Now let's get started. So guys, once you're logged into your Canva account, you're going to create a blank video. And once that's downloaded, you're going to go to upload. So under upload, we're going to select this picture here. Okay. We're going to remove the background. Make them a little bigger. Okay. Then we're going to go to share in the right corner. We're going to download him as a PNG. All right. It may take a few seconds. We're going to open it. And we're going to drag it over here to our left. We see it's downloading. While it's downloading, we're going to click on add a page. Okay. So under page 2, we're going to add our upload over here. We're going to drag him to the corner and expand him all the way to the next corner of our canvas page. Okay. Then we're going to go back to page 1. And we're going to keep page 1 picture as the same. We're not going to extend it to the end of the corners. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is go to Elements. And we're going to type in the word drip. Okay. We're going to click on the pink one. Okay. We're going to reduce the size of it. All right. We're going to put them right here. Okay. And bring it down. All right. All right. And then the next thing we're going to do is go to the top. We're going to change the color of that pink to black. Okay. Next thing we want to do, guys, is click on the guy's image. We're going to click on edit at the top. And we're going to scroll to do tone. We're going to click custom. And we're going to make sure that the highlight is black. Okay. All right. So both are black. Okay. When that's done, guys, we're going to crop it. Okay. The image. We're going to go all the way up to about there. Okay. Then we're going to go to the share button in the right corner. We're going to download this page as a PNG. We're going to make sure it's on page 1 only. And then click done and download. So it'll take a few seconds again, guys. We're going to open it. And we see it's downloading. Okay. Okay, next, guys, we're going to go to page 2. And the image that we just downloaded, we're going to drag it, put it in the corner. And drag it all the way to the end of the page as well. Okay. Then we're going to go to apps on our left side. And we're going to type in the word where it's blend image. Okay. We're going to click on it, blend image. Okay, so this part right here, guys, we're going for top layer, we're going to use selected image. So we see that right there. And then we're going to click on the bottom image. And we see it like that, guys, okay? The blend mode says screen, okay? Okay, the next thing, guys, you want to do, just drag it to your left corner. All right. And just center it. Okay. You can delete this page here. At the bottom, guys, you can zoom in and out this page. Now that I've taught you how to master this drip effect in Canva, now you can go ahead and experiment with the colors, the shapes, and styles to make your design stand out. Guys, if you like this tutorial, please help me out. Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more Canva tips. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.